Recorded class, and this is the pre-kinder level. The date today is April 6, 2022. It is a Wednesday and it is time for school. How about let's do the first part of our class, and that is the sight words. For today, we have the set of sight words. The first one is in. I and N makes the word in. So we have in, I and N, in. How about let's move to the next part? And here we have our sentence with the word in. I and N makes the word in. The doctor checks the bones in the x-ray. We have the word in. I and N, in. How about this sentence? We have I and N, the word in. I saw him mix the milk in the coffee. We have the word in. Remember, when something is in, it is inside, in. How about for the next? This time, I and N, in. They come to a party in their tux. The word tux here, it's a special suit that the boys or men wear in a special party. And remember, we have our word in, I and N. How about for the next part? Here we have another word, the word not. N-O-T, that makes the word not. Not. And how about we check our sentences with the word not? We have the first word. It is not again. I will not play with the melted wax. We have not. Next one. What else do we have here? Still the word not. N-O-T. Not. The fox will not go to you. The word not. How about the next one? We still have this sentence, not. I will not go near the man with the axe. We have the word not, N-O-T. Let's move to another part of our class. And this time, let's check for our lesson today. We're done already with the sight words in and not. How about for our lesson? And today, we have our X words. These words, some of them do not begin with X but has the X sound. So we have X for the X-ray. We also have X for the X-ray fish. You use the X-ray to check your bones in the hospital. That's a medical machine. We also have the X-ray fish. It's a special fish that you can find in the ocean, and it's special because the skin of the X-ray or its body, you can see through it and you can see the bones easily of the X-ray fish. We have also X in the fire extinguisher. You have this one in the buildings and in some houses. In case there's fire, you can use the fire extinguisher. There's also X in exercise. The girl wants to become fit, so she has to exercise. We also have exclaim. This is what you call the exclamation point. Next one, we have mixer. You can use the mixer to mix the ingredients. There's X in pixie, a kind of fairy. There's also X in explorer. A person who travels to different places is an explorer. Then we have X in the number 60. What else do we have here? For our X words, the words here that has X sound. There's X in galaxy. The galaxy is where you find the planets, the moons, and the stars, and our sun. There's also X in taxi. You can ride a taxi. We also have X in the excavator. The builders use the excavator to take out the dirt and the soil from the ground. There's also X in exit. When you go out, you go to the exit. There's also X in experiment. Scientists know how to make experiments in the lab. There's also X in next. You have to make a line, and once your name is called, you are next. There's also X in text. The words that you read in your book and on your worksheet, that's text. Then we also have X at the end of mailbox. You get your mail from the mailbox. And there's X in relax. When you want to rest, you take and have a relaxing time. These are some words also that end with X. We have X in box. You can put your things in a box. There's X in fix. When something is broken, you fix it. There's also X in fox, an animal that lives in the forest. There is X at the end of mix. Mix all the ingredients. There's X at the end of six. There's X at the end of wax. Your candles are made of wax. There's also X at the end of axe. There's X at the end of ox, a kind of cow, a big cow. And there's X at the end of tux, the tuxedo or tux. Now let's move on to the next part. Here we have to sort out our words. So we're going to do the sound hound. And where do these pictures belong? Remember, there are words that has the beginning sound in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. So where's the X sound in fox? Let's check. Ox at the end. How about taxi? Tax-e. Tax-e in the middle. Mixer, mix-er. Mix-er in the middle. Exercise, exercise. Exercise in the middle. Box, ox in the end. X-ray fish in the beginning. Excavator, excavator. Excavator in the middle. X-ray, x-ray. X-ray in the beginning. Wax, axe at the end. And six, in the end. So remember, when you do your sound hound, this is how you will sort your pictures later. The ones in the beginning, there are a few words that begin with X. We have the X-ray fish and X-ray. The ones in the middle is taxi. We have mixer, exercise, and excavator. The ones with X at the end, fox, box, wax, and six. Now, how about we move on to another part of our class, and we have a sentence about Max. So let's check. We have different pictures on our screen. Max relax with the box. He has a box with him. Maybe he's done packing away. He will relax, take a rest. Max relax with the box. How about another picture? This time we have Max relax with the explorer. This is the explorer, the one who travels to different places. Let's move it to the side. Another one that we can put here in our sentence, we have Max relax with the X-ray fish. Maybe he met the X-ray fish already. So he is relaxing. Next one, let's make this one big. We have Max relaxed with the pixie. A kind of fairy is the pixie. Next one, let me fix this. Here we have another word that ends with X. We have Max relax with the fox. That's the fox, an animal who lives in the forest. And here we have another one. It is Max relax with the ox, a kind of cow, a big one. That's ox. Let's move on to the next part of our class, and it is for work time. Let me fix first our screen here. And here we have the first one, the word in. I-N and in. Remember to trace your word in, I and N, that makes the word in. And then don't forget to color your letters for the word in. And you can also circle the word in using your markers. Look for the word in. There should be 6 of these in the boxes. Next, try to put your pictures already. If you're not yet done, you have to also cut. Okay, so if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. But I'm showing you we have I for eyes and N for necklace. Let's move on to the next word. And here we have the next one. It's still the word in, trace and write, I-N-N, in. I-N-N, in. And color your pictures. The ones that go in I, that's eyes and igloo. N is for necklace and the nose. And if you've already cut the pictures, please do the words I and N. Sorry, cut the letters to build the word in I and N to make in. If you're not yet done with the work, pause this video, play it again. Once you're done, I'll be jumping to the next work. And here we have our booklet for X, trace X, trace also your name. So we have the first sentence, we see the box, color your box. Another one, we see the fox, color your fox. We see the ox, color your ox. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's jump to the next page, and here we have, we see the tux. Let's color the tux. We see the wax, color the wax. So here we have our sentences in the booklet with the X words at the end. And since if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. This time we are going to do the next part, our sorting for the sound hound. Where do we put 6? X. It's at the end. X-ray, X-ray in the beginning. Wax, axe at the end. Excavator, excavator, excavator in the middle. Mixer, mixer in the middle. Fox, ox in the end. Taxi, taxi in the middle. Box, ox in the end. Exercise, exercise in the middle. And x-ray fish in the beginning. So these are the words that you need to sort for your sound hound. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. But I'll be moving to the next work. Here we have to build the sentence. Read the sentence. We see the box. Build the sentence. Cut your letters. We see the box. And write your sentence. We see the box. And your sentence with a period. And then don't forget to color. So we have, we see the box. Let's move on to the next. But if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. I'll be jumping to the fox. Let's read. We see the fox. Build the sentence. We see the fox. That's right. We have we see the fox. Don't forget to color your picture. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. I'll be jumping to the next work. And here we have the sentence. We see the ox. Build the sentence. We see the ox. And you write the sentence. We see the ox. And your sentence with a period and color your picture. If you're not yet done with the work, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's jump to the next one. And here we have to trace and write our letter X, capital and lowercase x. So you have to follow capital and lowercase, capital and lowercase. When you write your lowercase x, it has to go under the broken line. See? Because it's smaller, this is how you will write your lowercase x. Trace and then write the x's on your work there. Continue some more. Trace and write. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. But I'll be jumping to the next one. And this is also going to be the last page of our work. So for this one, I want you to trace the sentence about Max. Max relax with the, in number 1, write the word box, B-O-X. And when you draw, it's a square like this, box. Next, in number 2, it's the X-ray fish. X, a dash, R-A-Y, a space, F-I-S-H to make X-ray fish. When you draw an oval with a tip like this, then a tail like a triangle, add the eyes and the mouth, and draw the bones, because an X-ray fish, you see its bones. That's the X-ray fish. Next, how about the ox? O and X, ox. Draw the head, draw the horns, add the smiley face and the nose, add a body, then the legs, make the hooves, and also the tail. That's the ox. And last one, fox. Make an oval that's pointy. That's the nose. Add a eyes and mouth and the tail, sorry, the ears. Add the body and the feet, and add a bushy tail. That's your fox. So we have box, X-ray fish, ox, and fox. These are the words that you will spell and draw for on your work. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. But I'll be jumping to the next part of our class, and that is to give you the sticker friends. I hope that you finish your work for today. That was the last page of our work. Eliana will go to Sky, Lian in Everest, Megan in Rubble, Marcus in Chase, Julius in Tracker, and Kyle in Rocky. And that ends our recorded class for today. And I hope that you finish your work also. I will see you on our next class. Bye-bye.